Hey everybody, good morning and welcome back to How to Build a 105 Thunderchief. 10 minutes at a time. Alright everybody, I guess there were some people who missed our waxing process. Okay, now all I did to this was I cleaned up our edges and I washed that old part all off my parting plane. And there was someone out there who asked if I put my part all on first. No, I waxed it first. This is my wax, it's honey wax. I get this from Associated Industries. This is a mold release compound. This is not like a car wax, okay? And I take me an old sock, I cut it off, and I fill it full of that honey wax, okay? That keeps it from having to keep dipping and sticking into it. And we wax it on. We're going to get in all our holes. Alignment pins. We'll get this edge really good so nothing sticks to it. I already got 3 coats of wax on the wing. It really don't need a whole lot. Maybe just this edge. And we'll give the wing another coat. Just be on the safe side. I don't want nothing sticking. Then I sprayed my part all on. There was someone who says if they spray their part all on first and then wax it, but then their wax is on their parts. And we don't want our wax on our parts. Well, this one it wouldn't matter so much, but when we're making our actual parts, we don't want that wax on our part. Then we won't be able to put no extra primer on it. You know? If I'm putting that wax inside the sock, man, that's cool. That wax just works right through that sock. We'll get this other side laid up today. Tomorrow I'll be making parts. Making my 2 new plugs. Then I'll be done with this mold. But remember now, this is just a temporary mold. That's why I didn't put no wood on it or nothing. And you're going to stay tuned for how I do my next wing molds. They're going to be a lot different. I already got it all figured out how I'm going to do it. Getting a hole in my sock. Let's put that wax out.